Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Grady County in central Oklahoma, southwestern Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Canadian County in central Oklahoma, northwestern McLean County in central Oklahoma, until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:03 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 5 miles west of Petal, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado and golf ball size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat rotation. The following effects are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Oklahoma City, Moore, Del City, Newcastle, Yukon, Bethany, Mustang, War Acres, The Village, Tuttle, Nichols Hills, Valley Brook, Woodlawn Park, and Smith Village. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 117 and 130. Interstate 40 between mile markers 137 and 155. Interstate 44 between mile markers 109 and 128. Interstate 240 between mile markers 1 and 8. Take cover now.
This is
Move to a storm shelter, safe room, or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.